sway gently, secrets they keep. Every leaf whispers stories so deep. Oh, the wind carries songs from far away, calling my soul to stay, just stay. Nature is alive in every breath I take. Her arms hold me close, her love won't break. Mountains stand tall, oceans sing free. She's the rhythm of life, she's part of me. Under starlit skies, where silence speaks, the moonlight kisses the mountain peaks. Rivers hum lullabies, stars softly gleam. Dreams are painted in colors unseen. Oh, the earth feels warm beneath my feet. A heartbeat echoes wild and sweet. Nature is alive in every breath I take. Her arms hold me close, her love won't break. Mountains stand tall, oceans sing free. She's the rhythm of life, she's part of me. When storms come crashing and shadows fall, I hear her voice through it all. Roots grow stronger, branches reach high. Even in chaos, she teaches me why. Breathe in the air, let your spirit fly. Feel the pulse of the earth and sky. We're not alone, we belong here too. Guardians of this world,